Have you ever wondered if putting your hard-earned money into the volatile world of cryptocurrency, specifically through a platform like Wealthsimple, is a move that could make or break your financial future? It's a question many are asking as crypto continues its ascent into mainstream consciousness, and with platforms like Wealthsimple making it incredibly accessible, the temptation to jump in is stronger than ever. But accessibility doesn't equate to a free ride. In fact, it often masks the very real and significant risks that lie beneath the surface. Today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked, sometimes misunderstood, and always critical risks of crypto investing on Wealthsimple. This isn't about fear-mongering, but rather about arming you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Because while the allure of quick gains in crypto is undeniable, ignoring the potential downsides can lead to some painful lessons. We'll explore everything from the inherent volatility of digital assets to the specifics of how Wealthsimple handles your crypto, and crucially, what protections are, and aren't, in place for your investments. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Wealthsimple has done a fantastic job of democratizing investing, making it simple and straightforward for Canadians to access various financial instruments. Their user-friendly interface and focus on ease of use have extended to their crypto offering, allowing individuals to buy, sell, and even stake a variety of cryptocurrencies with just a few taps. This ease of access is a double-edged sword when it comes to crypto. On one hand, it lowers the barrier to entry, enabling more people to participate in this innovative financial frontier. On the other hand, it can inadvertently lead to individuals investing in assets they don't fully understand, without a comprehensive grasp of the risks involved. Crypto, by its very nature, is a high-risk, high-reward asset class. Unlike traditional stocks or bonds, which are backed by tangible company assets or government promises, cryptocurrencies derive their value from supply and demand, technological innovation, and often, pure speculation. This inherent nature is the bedrock of many of the risks we're about to discuss. Let's start with the most obvious and perhaps the most significant risk, market volatility. If you've been even remotely aware of the crypto space, you'll know that prices can swing wildly, often by double-digit percentages in a single day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even smaller altcoins can experience meteoric rises followed by precipitous crashes. What causes this? A multitude of factors, including regulatory news, technological advancements, macroeconomic events, social media sentiment, and even just large individual transactions. Unlike traditional markets, crypto markets often operate 24/7, meaning price movements can occur at any time, catching investors off guard. This extreme volatility means that your crypto investment on Wealthsimple, while easy to manage, could see significant fluctuations, leading to substantial gains or devastating losses in a short period. Imagine investing a sum you can't afford to lose, only to see it have overnight due to a market correction. This isn't an uncommon scenario in crypto. Next up, let's talk about regulatory risk and lack of traditional protections. This is where the landscape gets a bit murky, especially when comparing crypto to traditional investments on Wealthsimple. While Wealthsimple, as a platform, is regulated in Canada, and their conventional investment accounts are covered by the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, CIPF, your crypto investments on Wealthsimple are explicitly not protected by CIPF or the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC. This is a crucial distinction. What does this mean for you? It means that in the unlikely event Wealthsimple, or their crypto custodial partners, were to become insolvent or face a severe financial crisis, your crypto assets held on the platform could be at risk. This is a fundamental difference from your stock or ETF holdings, which would generally be protected up to a certain limit by CIPF. Wealthsimple does state that they hold your crypto in trust and stored with custodial partners, and that in the unlikely event of insolvency, your crypto is still yours. They also highlight that their custodial partners carry insurance for losses due to certain risks like fraudulent transfer, collusion, physical loss, or cybersecurity breaches. However, the absence of CIPF or CDIC protection for crypto itself is a significant point of vulnerability for investors. It places the onus squarely on you, the investor, to understand and accept this fundamental lack of a safety net that is standard in traditional financial markets. Another critical area of risk is cybersecurity and hacking. While Wealthsimple employs robust security measures, including cold storage for the majority of client crypto assets and insurance coverage against hacks or theft, no system is entirely impenetrable. The crypto ecosystem, being decentralized and a prime target for malicious actors, is constantly under threat. While Wealthsimple's efforts to secure assets are commendable, including their partnerships with regulated custodial entities and their own hot wallet coverage through CoinCover, the risk of a breach, however small, always exists. If a sophisticated hack were to occur, leading to the loss of your crypto, the recovery process could be complex, lengthy, and potentially not fully compensatory, despite insurance policies. It's a reminder that even on a reputable platform, the digital nature of crypto introduces unique security challenges. Then there's the risk of technological failures and protocol risks. Cryptocurrencies rely on complex blockchain technology. While incredibly innovative, this technology isn't without its potential flaws. This can include anything from code defects in the underlying cryptocurrency's blockchain, security vulnerabilities that could be exploited, or even what's known as a hard fork, where a blockchain splits into two separate versions. Such events can lead to significant disruptions, loss of value, or even the obsolescence of a particular cryptocurrency. While Wealthsimple monitors these developments and provides product risk disclosures, the ultimate impact of such technological risks can fall on the investor. Let's also not forget the liquidity risk and execution risk. While major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum generally have good liquidity, allowing you to buy and sell relatively easily, some smaller or less popular altcoins available on Wealthsimple might have lower liquidity. This means that if you need to sell a large amount of a less liquid asset quickly, you might struggle to find a buyer at your desired price, or you might have to accept a significantly lower price to execute the trade. Furthermore, there's always an execution risk. While Wealthsimple strives to get competitive prices from their liquidity providers, particularly with their tiered trading fees ranging from 2% for core clients down to 0.5% for generation clients, market fluctuations can still lead to the actual fill price differing slightly from the price you saw when placing the order. This is particularly relevant in fast-moving markets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.